Hey guys, today we're doing an outside view of my garage doors. So these doors been here for around 18 years. You can see they're Wayne Deltons. This particular door has a hole here, but I got it bent as much as I can and it's resealed. Top panel is cracked, but it's a good door still. I have everything reinforced. This door with the damage on top, a little bit more severe. A lot of little dents from the previous homeowner. And let's open this door up. And I got the keypad right here. I just got done lubing it about a week ago, but there's something I want to show you guys. So I live in South Carolina and we had Hurricane Florence hit around 4 days later. So my last video, or a few videos ago, I replaced these photo eyes. You can see the electrical tape. I had to replace the wiring again because both photo eyes failed. And exactly when I disconnected them and plug it up in these terminals up there, the photo eyes worked. So the wire failed. Usually those things usually last for decades. So I have the wiring all taped up on the top of the T-rail. Let's run this other chamberlain up. Great operators. I love these things, how the old-fashioned box design. These doors are around 17, 18 years old. Surprisingly, the Torque Master springs are not broken yet. I got the weather stripping replaced last year. The previous owner of the stripping was bent backwards, so the door was riding like that. So I don't know why it was like that, but it was. Let's run both of these operators down, and that'll be the end of this video. Let's run the door over there. And let's close this one. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like. Thanks for watching.